Here we have a, I know, here we have a manual transmission K24 Accord. We are pulling the shifter and harness.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't bring the camera.
I mean, we're going back for tools anyway, are we not?
Yeah.
Oh! V8 frame mounts acquired here at the pull apart. That's just hateful. Real quick. This is Alex's new car. It's a B18C, and we are wiring the cooling fan back up because it doesn't like to stay cool while it's sitting. And that's about it. I might get a driving video, I don't know. Anyway.
Gotta get closer.
Boys and girls, I sold the Camaro. Alright, so here's our clean slate. Getting back into Hondas the big boy way. This